If you've been turned down for credit before, most people make the mistake of thinking all credit cards are out of reach. The Open Sky Secured Credit Card is designed specifically to help you start building or rebuilding credit, even with no prior credit history. Here's how it works. Unlike many cards, Open Sky doesn't require a credit check to apply. You provide a refundable security deposit, usually starting around $200, which becomes your credit limit. The card reports to all three major credit bureaus, helping you establish a positive credit history. While it doesn't offer rewards, it does give you a simple, reliable way to improve your credit score over time. There's a modest annual fee, but for many, the ability to build credit outweighs the cost. Tips to maximize the Open Sky Secured Card. 1. Keep your balance low, ideally under 30% of your limit to positively impact your credit utilization ratio. 2. Pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest and demonstrate responsible credit use. 3. Monitor your credit reports regularly to track improvements and ensure accurate reporting. Who should consider this card? Anyone with poor or no credit who wants a straightforward path to building a solid credit history. Its no credit check policy makes it accessible for first-time applicants or those recovering from past credit challenges. In conclusion, the Open Sky Secured Credit Card is one of the most accessible tools for building credit safely and effectively. If this review helped you, subscribe for more tips on improving credit and making smart financial choices. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your credit score grow.